So for my final project, I decided to do a painting, and I'm doing my final project on an orca in their ecosystem. So here I have a killer whale in their habitat, which is in an ocean, and you can see it's in a colder area where they got like icebergs. We have sea lions, penguins, and salmon, which are all parts of the orca's diet. The orca is actually the top predator in their ecosystem, so they don't have anything above them. And now I will tell you more about the orca's ecosystem. So let's see here. So an ecosystem is a community of organisms interacting with each other. Every species had a place and a purpose in their community. This is called their niche. A niche includes the space an organism needs, the amount of food it consumes, the organisms it's a food source for, its influence on competitors, the timing of reproduction, and its temperature and moisture requirements. A killer whale can be found in more than one type of ecosystem. Because of humans, killer whales are the most widely distributed species on the planet. You can find these whales in all of the Earth's oceans. They are found in open seas, but they also tend to prefer hanging around coastal waters. The Arctic and the Atlantic Oceans have the highest killer whale population since they prefer colder waters. Orcas are mammals. Like humans, they do not belong in the whale family actually. They are a part of the dolphin family, which makes them the largest dolphin. They can reach up to 9 meters in length. There are about 50,000 orcas in the world, and there are many different species of orca. Physical defenses to protect organisms from predators include mechanical, chemical, warning coloration, and camouflage mechanisms. Warning colorations would include bright coloring patterns to warn potential predators. Orcas have an interesting black and white colored pattern. They are also a very large mammal, but their warning coloration also helps scare off potential predators. This isn't needed much since orcas are the top predator in their ecosystem. Actually, orcas have no natural predators other than humans. Predators also have adapted to enhance their skills to catch prey. As prey gets better at hiding and escaping predators, also have better developing sensory perception. This helps them find hiding prey and have quicker swimming abilities to catch them. The life dinner hypothesis does show that these predator adaptations are rarely so efficient that the prey species goes extinct. So the ecosystems have good balance where normally things can't overpower other species. Orcas are one of the most distinct and unique marine creatures. They are known for their black and white patterns and intelligence. An orca is one of the top predators in the ocean. They have even captured great white sharks before. The killer whale got their name for a reason, because they actually have killed whales. Their diet consists of mostly fish. They are a toothed whale, so they hunt mostly larger prey. One of the reasons they prefer the colder water oceans is since there is a larger food supply in these areas. They have a wide variety in their diet of over 140 species of prey. It really just depends on what their ecosystem is like and what is available. Top predators like killer whales play an important role in their structure and function of an ecosystem. They help keep the species balanced and regulated. In the North Pacific Ocean, resident whales mostly just eat salmon, while the non-resident whales spend most of their days searching for food, mostly marine animals such as seals, sea lions, and other whales. They don't eat any fish. This relationship between the two whale groups helped them never come into conflict over food resources. Then in the Antarctic system, there is 3 different types of killer whales. The type A whale, which feeds exclusively on minke whales. The type B whale, which prefers to eat seals, but will eat some minke whales, or humpback whales if needed. And then the type C whale, which only eats the Antarctic toothfish. The whales in the Antarctic system also have a very healthy relationship since they all have different main food sources. Killer whales will use the environment to their advantage. They will push up on ice to knock penguins or seals off into the water. The biggest threat to killer whales is us humans. Human-made toxins can affect the health of orcas since it decreases their reproductive success and their immune system. Climate change could be a factor also in affecting the life of orcas. The reduction of sea ice would make them have to adapt to other options of survival and search for food. Like us having control and conquering the earth, orcas have conquered the blue sea. They are the top predator among their ecosystems. Humans have had many interactions with killer whales in the wild, yet never any fatal ones. Humans and orcas are a very similar species, and we feel a strong connection with them. And that concludes my final project.